Hi friends, today I am making Instapot Mexican style beans. Today we're making Mexican style beans in the Instapot. I love making them in the Instapot because start to finish, within an hour, maybe an hour and 15 tops, everything turns out so delicious and creamy, and they're healthy, and I like to make them with a little bit of olive oil, so they're vegan. They are so delicious, and my family cannot get enough of them. So I'm just gonna wash the beans, and then we're gonna cook them. I usually like to go from dried beans to wash to in the pot right away. Let's make those beans. I have 3 cups of pinto beans, rinsed, picked through, no rocks. We're not breaking anyone's teeth. I really like to use organic beans. It's not that much difference in the price, but they end up tasting amazing. And I have this much of a slice of an onion. By the way, this is my cat, and you will be hearing lots of cats and dogs and kids in the background. I've tried, this is the 4th take, you know, between the dog shaking her collar and the cat doing its thing next door. We're just gonna keep rolling, okay? This is life. Anyway, the slice of the onion, we're gonna do it 1 hour, and we will have the creamiest, yummiest. Now on the settings, I'm only doing 40 to 45 minutes, depending. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then who's turning it? No, seriously, someone is messing with me right now. All right. Oh, I got it. I know you're gonna edit all that out, aren't you? Yeah. Let's check in on the beans. It's been a little bit over an hour. I had to do other stuff. Voila. Beans are done. Let's see. Oh my goodness. They are creamy. They are delicious. And now we're just gonna have to flavor them before we blend them. So the way I like to do my beans is I like to keep them vegan, cook them in olive oil. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, or 4 tablespoons, and 3 cloves of garlic that I am going to crush. I'm gonna get them to be golden brown and delicious before I add coarsely chopped 1/4 of an onion. And once all of these are sauteed, I'm gonna start ladling the beans, mash them. If I feel like, you know, if they look like they need to be blended, I'll blend them. If not, I'll just keep mashing them with the back of the spoon. I like to hit that with salt. Remember, beans are not salted, so the salt is gonna go to everything. I'm going to start ladling my beans and smashing them in the back. My beans are almost done. I just tried them. They really need some salt and a little bit more olive oil, and they are ready to be tasted. You know what? Let me try it for you. Creamy, delicious, umami, meaty. Perfect. You can have them with rice. Let me know how it turns out with you. Hit like, subscribe. Love, light, and blessing.